Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing this wig from ILikehair. Now this wig, it's a 13x4 kinky straight textured with natural kinky edges, okay? And this is just me showing you some of the goodies that it has. It came with a wig cap, a thank you card, some goodies as far as clips, a comb, and a hair clip that says I like. This is just me showing you the wig, and it also came with an adjustable strap, and those are the hooks that you can attach the adjustable strap to. And it also has a comb in the back. And look at that lace, you guys. So I did not bleach the knots, but I did use makeup on them. And this is just me showing you the front of the wig, and you can see the kinky edges right there. Yes, you guys, lit. Okay, so this is just me, and I'm getting ready to install the wig. But first, I took some Got To Be glue, the spike spray, to push my edges back, because y'all see they looking very, very rough. So I did that, and it really helped push them back and keep them into place. So I did this and sprayed this on my edges. So you guys, this kinky texture wig mimics a natural, real hairline. So the edges, nobody is going to be able to tell, and should nobody be able to get that close to you to be looking like that anyway. But yes, so this is just me putting on the wig cap, and I used the one that I was sent. And yes, so I'm going to cut that part off right there. And what I did was, for this, so I ended up installing this twice. The first time I put it on, I sprayed the lace on the front of the wig. I should not have done that. The second time, I actually sprayed it on my forehead, let it get tacky, and then I placed the wig on my head. So this is just me showing you those edges, guys. Look at those edges. Just look at them. Those are what my edges look like. Ain't no baby hairs over here. So I did not put any product or heat on the edges because I wanted to keep them as natural as possible.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So the glue that we'll be using for this install is the Even Wonder Lace Bond Glue. And I think I have the regular one. They have a sensitive skin one, a regular one, and an extreme one. I just went with the basic one. So you see me here spraying it on there. That was a big no-no. Okay. So I just sprayed it on, let it dry, and then I tied it down. And while I tied it down, I just started working with the hair to get it to be more flat and also create a side part. So after I went in and created my part, I put some mousse on there because we like a flat wig over here. So I just used the olive oil mousse and I applied it on the hair, And then I went in with the Eben 24-hour wax stick to get it to hold down even flatter. And that's me showing you it right there. And that one was like a scented, like, I think it was like berry. So I went in with that to try to get it as flat as possible, because y'all see it has a little hump on that side part right there. And then I'm going with a hot comb to get it to lay flat. And you guys will see here in a minute that it is going to be so much more flatter than how it started out. And it wasn't as flat as I liked it to be, so I started parting it, putting the wax stick in between the parts, and then putting a hot comb through it like that. So yeah, and that helped and worked out a lot better. So now that we have the parting the way that we like it, we're going to go ahead and cut the lace. So first I started off with scissors, and then you'll see me going in with a razor, and it's just like a 99-cent eyebrow razor. And after this, I ended up adding a little bit of makeup to it to make it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, what I should have done is added a little bit of spray to kind of hide that wig cap a little bit more better. But yeah, this was my first time installing a wig this way. So I think I did a pretty good job. So this is what I was talking about. You guys can see like the lace is really white. And this is why I went in and installed it a second time. And this is just the finished product. You guys, look at those edges. So natural, right? Look at that. Look at the hairline. It looks amazing. That is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. A huge shout out to ILikehair for sending me this product for review. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.